Solitudes, dramatic shadows, cinematography, values and contrasts, and composition. Since I observed Opper's work, I started to notice that some of these key aspects were embedded in my work without realizing it. By studying his paintings, I refined some of my methods and came to the conclusion that Edward Hopper was the perfect urban sketcher, one that managed to frame normal daily life events into outstanding pieces of art. In this two-class mini workshop, we will learn some of my techniques inspired by Edward Hopper's realism mastery. We will paint this very same watercolor he did almost 100 years ago, that has all the composition and framing technique I still use today. Then we will explore one interior image that has that light and shadow contrast beaming into the scene that he masterfully did several times. You can find this course in the Vivify platform. All classes will be recorded, so even if you cannot attend live, no worries, you will follow the class and produce your work at your own pace. Then I get to review your work and share some tips for you to improve. How to register? Just go to vivify.ai or comment Hopper and I will provide the link you need to register. Course starts on August 5th. Hope I can see you there.